New tonight, the parents of a 19-year-old Tempe woman are shining a light on a dangerous trend after their daughter died from inhaling chemicals from an aerosol can. 12 News journalist Gabriella Becerra is joining us in studio with their heartbreaking message to other parents. Gabby?
Well, Caribe, just 1 week ago, this young woman's parents didn't know what this trend called dusting was. Now they want to make sure all parents know the signs and symptoms.
She was just the light of my life.
Vibrant and vivacious is how Aaron and Dana O'Rourke described their 19-year-old daughter, Rena Kay.
She was just the most caring, beautiful soul I've ever known.
But on May 27th, their world flipped upside down. Rena went into cardiac arrest and was then declared brain dead after inhaling a common household cleaner.
We want to make sure that we use our tragedy so that no other parent ever has to experience looking at their child on life support and a ventilator and not breathing on her own, all because she huffed out of a can.
It's called dusting, getting high by inhaling aerosol dusters like keyboard cleaner. According to Poison Control, most inhalant abusers are teenagers, likely because the products are easily accessible.
My daughter and her boyfriend had door dashed product to my house, and I didn't know. It's keyboard cleaner. I didn't know what they were doing with it.
Experts warn the chemicals in aerosol sprays can lead to heart failure within minutes.
It's not a matter of if, it will be a matter of when.
A light in the darkness for the O'Rourkes.
We're finding strength and a purpose.
Rena is an organ donor, saving at least 6 lives.
We've been told that her heart is going to a recipient in California, which is kind of beautiful because she was ultimately wanting to move to California, so in a way her heart's taking her there.
Hey everyone, this is Jet from clinicalresearcher.jet. So I just wanted to talk about this video real quick. This act isn't new, but it's becoming more and more popular because of TikTok rebranding this as a trend. It's named dusting after the product being used, which is an aerosol cleaning product, like they explained in the video, typically used for dusting things like electronics and computer keyboards. This dangerous practice has other names like chroming or huffing, so it can be interchangeable, so just pay attention to those names if you ever hear it. Essentially, they are inhaling a toxic chemical called difluoroethane that is found in these cleaning products. It is reported that these products are more likely to lead to death or severe bodily harm more than any other product. It can lead to lung disease, heart, and liver failure. It is a short high that leads to quick resulting damage that is irreversible after one huff and potentially deadly. What is happening with this trend is that folks are filming themselves using these products and posting the results on social media. This new trend has serious consequences, where we are now seeing people, mostly teens, dying at an exponential rate. We just saw this report about the 19-year-old who died, and in a Google search last week, another one died in Arizona. Also, celebrity Aaron Carter had died in 2022 after inhaling the chemicals from the product. Please think it through before trying this trend. And parents with teens, please talk to them about these risks. As you saw in the video, it's an easy product to get access to. She said her daughter had door dashed it to their home, so obviously there's no age limit to purchasing these products. So just be aware and just pay attention. And if you notice that your child may be taking an interest in these products, maybe you should have a conversation with them. Maybe if they're big on TikTok, it might be good to know what they're watching and just kind of, have a conversation and make sure that they're being safe and they're not taking these kinds of risks. Well, thanks for listening to this public service announcement. I'll see you all soon at Clinical Research and Tea with Jet. Please stay safe.